You guys working on A-arms? You trying to get this damn spring around this rubber boot? Let me show you how I do it using two simple things that I know you have in your garage. See ya! What's up, everybody? Just to show you a quick video how to rebuild Banshee A-arm, or any A-arm really, ball joint part of it. If you guys ever mess with these rubber boots and the spring that goes with them, this thing, you know it's a pain in the ass. Let me show you how I do it using zip ties. Alright, let me show you this shit. Alright, redoing Banshee A-arm. This is a stock OEM Banshee A-arm. This will work for any type of A-arm, any other four-wheeler A-arm, car, ball joint, really. Really, the hard part is this. This part here, the ring. This is the hard part. If you don't have a special tool or whatever it takes to put on it, but I don't have a special tool. So if you don't have a special tool, it's a pain in the ass getting that ring around that rubber boot without it folding around the corners. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. If you're watching this video, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to show you how I do it using zip ties. Simple trick. Slip the boot over it. That's the easy part. Now spread this thing over that without having a special tool. It's a pain in the ass. You're going to use flatheads. The rubber's going to pull up underneath the corner of the spring. It's not going to seal, and your boot's going to pop out every single time. So I found a way, which I want to share with you guys. Grabbing zip ties. Grab two regular zip ties. Loop them through. She's kind of like making handles right now. Alright, so you pull it to where it starts to open. You'll feel it give a certain spot, which is like right there, it seems. So now you got handles to spread it open. Grab it, just work it around your boot. Bink. See how it goes around now? None of the rubber's pinched up. But now what you got to do is when you cut the zip ties, so when you cut the zip ties, you don't want to cut them down here on the bottom side of the zip tie. If you cut it here, when you pull it up, it may pull the rubber out from underneath the spring. So you want to cut it at the top side of the zip tie, up here. So now you're pulling down through the spring, and the rubber doesn't want to pull back out. So that side stayed on. Flip it over, go to the top. You pull down, not up, down. Bink. There's the spring. All the way around the boot. The boot's not cut. Boot's not folded. It's good to go. So now the next step, you got to grease that puppy. The way I grease it, pick up one of these Zerk fitting needles, pop it into your grease gun. Now you feel like a doctor. stick it in the edge of the ball joint boot. And pump away, baby. Boom. There it is. That damn spring around the boot. The boot's not cut, pinched. Everything looks good. Just using 2 zip ties. No special tools needed. Alright guys. I'll see you on the next one. See ya!